Are you looking for the best belt sanders in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best belt sanders that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Bosch PBS 75, a belt sander. German tool masters Bosch have been trusted by tradespeople and DIYers alike for over a century. I was excited to get hold of their PBS 75, a belt sander. It sits in their green range of quality tools for DIYers. First off, this is a big belt sander. It's nearly 55 centimeters long, and the big front grip means you hold it low down to the workpiece. But the bulky stylings aren't just for looks. You can flip the belt sander on its back and use it as a bench sander as well. The auto-align feature works well, so you don't have to fiddle with adjusters either. The 750-watt motor should be powerful enough for tough jobs. It's one of the best belt sanders for home projects. The only thing that really let me down is the lack of variable speed. It's one of the more useful features found in belt sanders, and I wish that Bosch had added to this otherwise excellent machine. Up next in the 4th place is the Makita 9404/2 belt sander. The best heavy-duty belt sander for the UK market is the Makita 9404/2. It's a superior stock removal tool that has variable speed control and is relatively quiet for such a powerful machine, as you'd expect from Makita. This is the best sander for floors and decking that I've come across. The motor is tough enough to take on the biggest jobs. You can choose the belt speed from 210 meters per minute to 440 meters per minute. The unit itself has a low profile and is compact for such a powerful belt sander. But what I really like is how easy it is to handle. The grips are well shaped and allow you to be precise whether you're working on wood or metal. Changing belts can be done in mere seconds. The dust extraction system is great, and it's easy to adjust the tracking if you need to. What makes this the best belt sander for woodworkers, though, are the threaded holes in the side of the metal housing. You can attach the belt sander to a jig and use it safely upside down, turning it into a quality bench sander. The 3rd product on our list is the Gellas electric belt sander. This futuristic belt sander from Tool Pros Gellas is one of the best budget belt sanders around. The big 1000-watt motor means it can keep up with the big boys on my list. However, the 6 variable speeds set it apart from the competition. It's surprisingly comfortable to hold. The non-adjustable front handle is far enough forward to make it easy to use over long periods. Belt changing is easy, but you can't easily mount it upside down to make a belt sander. It's a shame because the trigger lock is easy to set and would make bench sanding a breeze. For the money, this is one of the most user-friendly belt sanders you can get hold of. It's well balanced and doesn't vibrate too much. The dust collection port is effective but doesn't come with a dust bag. You'll have to plug this machine directly into your shop vacuum. Second on our list is the Black Plus Decker KA86 belt sander. One of the biggest names in DIY, Black Plus Decker have been making tools for more than 100 years. The KA86 belt sander isn't the biggest or most powerful on my list, but it's great for precision jobs and is easily one of the best belt sanders for small tasks. It's less than half the weight of most of the belt sanders on our list. It's ideal for when you need precision rather than raw power. Even so, the 720-watt motor is powerful enough to put a dent into wood, plastic, and even metal surfaces. You don't need to fiddle with the auto-tracking mechanism, which is a bonus. However, the body feels a bit plasticky, and there's no way to adjust the handles or the belt speed either. You get a sanding belt included though. The dust bag seems to do a good job of collecting the dust as well, so it's an overall good purchase. Finally, the top product on our list is the Einhell TCBC 8038 belt sander, one of the more recognizable budget power tool brands on the UK market. Germany's Einhell make honest tools for a fair price. I tried out their TCBC 8038 belt sander and think it's got to be one of the best belt sanders for beginners. I also found it to be a compact sander that can still remove a lot of material quickly. The handles are well placed and are easy to hold onto with rubberized grips at the front and back. The belts are easy to change. The 800-watt motor is just about strong enough to keep up with heavy sanding tasks on wood, plastic, and even metal. They throw in a dust collection bag, which is a nice touch. However, it's an awkward shape to try and mount upside down. I wouldn't try to use it as a bench sander anytime soon. The one included belt is of decent quality though, and means you can use it straight from the box. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now, I hope. To see you guys in the next video. Till next time.